Feeling overwhelmed and constantly on the go? You're not alone. Discover mindfulness, a simple tool to reduce stress and enhance your well-being, all in just moments of your day. Think mindfulness is a time-consuming practice? Not anymore. Our quick guide is perfect for busy bees like you. What exactly is mindfulness? It's the art of being fully present and engaged in the moment without any judgment. Why should you care? Because it helps you savor life's details, reduces stress, and sharpens your focus. The perks of mindfulness: less anxiety, better focus, and a happier you. Let's try some quick exercises. Breathe in deeply through your nose, hold for a moment, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel the calm with each breath. Do a body scan. Start from your toes and move upwards, noticing how each part feels. Practice mindful eating. Chew slowly and relish each bite, appreciating the flavors and textures. Incorporate mindfulness effortlessly. Set reminders for brief mindfulness breaks. Practice focusing on one task at a time. It's about quality, not quantity. Remember, consistency is key. Even a minute or two daily adds up. Recapping the essentials. Mindfulness means staying present and can be seamlessly integrated into your daily routine. Why not give it a shot? You might just lose some stress and gain a clearer mind. Subscribe for more practical tips to transform your hectic days into more peaceful moments.